Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my delicious micheladas, also known as michis. And I say they're delicious because I consider myself a michi queen. Of course, mine are some of my favorite ones. My friends and family can vouch for this as well. So right here I have everything that you'll be needing. Starting over here, you're going to need tajín, chamoy, any brand works, but typically I like to get this one. It just has like a little dinosaur and it says amor chamoy. Clamato, this is also used in like shrimp cocktails, but it's basically tomato juice, and they have different versions, some that have already lime or an extra spice to it, but I like to use the original one. Your beer of choice, I prefer pacifico when I'm making my micheladas, but modelo is all I have right now, and if it's not pacifico, I'm a modelo type of girl. Valentina, not tapatio, lemon, a glass. This sauce, it's used for different seasonings and cooking with like meat, but this is Worcestershire. 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 Okay, whatever. So that's what we're going to be needing. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a close-up and we'll get to drinking. I zoomed you guys in so you have a better look at everything, but this is going to be our little setup. I already have my lemon cut in half right here. We're going to put chamoy and tajín in these little plates. This is going to be used to rim the cup. Just a little bit since it's just me. So I'm going to grab my glass cup and then dip it into the chamoy, twist it around, and I also like to make sure it gets coated well by doing this, and you'll do the same for the tajín. So in the end, this is what your cup should look like. So now that we have our cup rimmed up, we're going to start in the order that I like. Grab your sauce, and I'm sorry, but I don't have any exact measurements, so we're just gonna eyeball it. You're just gonna do a little bit. It's really not that much. You should pour it into where it covers the bottom, and then you're set with that. You'll want to add your lemon, and I'm using a squeezer so I can avoid getting seeds up in there. And remember, lemon. If you use lime, it will taste a little different, but make sure you get all the juice in there. Next, we're going to add some chamoy. And again, I'm eyeballing it, so the chamoy is just going to help with the thickness of the mix. And now, Valentina, not tapatio, remember, Valentina. It depends on how spicy you like it. Whoops. I just do a couple drops. Next, your clamato. Now, this is gonna depend on how much tomato juice you like. Honestly, I don't really like it, so I'm gonna do about 1/3 of the cup. And I'm just eyeballing. You'll want to grab anything to stir the mix with. I'm using the knife that I used to cut the lemon. Crack open your beer. Tilt it, you know. If you don't pour beer like this, then you're not a beer drinker, you know. Yum. That looks bomb, 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 bomb. And finally, add your tajín. If you have a bigger glass, you'd be able to put the whole beer, but you're not with these. And also, when you add tahini and you mix it again, it is going to rise up, so be careful. But I do like to add tahini on top. And just do a little stir. This is a finished product. Cheers, let's do a little taste test. Pretty damn good. And with your favorite beer, even better. Like I said, I like Modelo but pacifico with a michi. Bomb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm more than happy to share another drink recipe of mine. It's a paloma, so if you like tequila, hit me up. Let me know in the comments, like this video, DM me on Instagram, whatever it is. I'm down to share with you guys my other recipe.